Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. Don't get fooled. I am not this rich, although I wish I was. This money is play money that is from SHANLU, and it's a great way to educate your children or to use it just for fun. My family has been really having a lot of fun using this play money. It is so realistic looking, and it actually has a very great textured paper, making it feel like money as well. The money is a great way to educate children because you can teach them what is actually on the money or even just use it for counting. It's also great as a prank. So we've used it with some friends, offering them a gift just for fun, and it brings lots of laughs. The box that you get with this would be also really good if you want to use this for a prop, if you're doing some filming, or if you wanted to use this just for fun at a party. You could really literally throw it everywhere and have lots of fun. Whatever reason that you came looking for some play money, you'll be able to use this one with confidence. The paper is really well made, so you don't feel like it will rip easily. And it has all of the detailings that actually comes on real money. So it's great for education or just for fooling around with your friends. And that's my point of view.